Hello, everyone. Now, I want to take a few minutes just to go over some of the tools that are available within your groups that you can take advantage or you can utilize to support your group work. So, if you go into your groups, I have divided the class into 6 groups from Group A through Group F. Now you'll be able to see your members and your group you belong to. So when you click on a group, you'll be able to see your members. For example, I'm going to use Group Z just for demonstration purposes. For Group Z, if you go into Group Z, you'll be able to see the your group members listed, and then you'll be able to see some of the group tools that are available that you can use to communicate, coordinate, and even work on the group assignment. So I will encourage the class to take advantage of these tools, especially the email, the group wiki, and the group discussion. Now remember, communication is very important for any group work or teamwork. So I would expect then that every member in the group to take some kind of responsibility to start the conversation or to email or to question or to find some information from the group members. So please do not just assume somebody is going to reach out to you. So if you're a member in that group, please take the first step and do not assume that somebody is going to take up that role. What I've always say all along is that anytime you're working on a teamwork or a group assignment, it is very important for the group to come together and appoint one person to be the leader for that particular group, so that that person will lead, will coordinate. That way the group work out smoothly. So I'll advise the group to go ahead and elect somebody or appoint somebody, or you could just be self-appointed, and you want to steer your group. Please feel free to do so. What I want to make sure is the groups are communicating and they're aware of what is happening. So let me take a minute to go over some of these tools. In this particular session, I'm going to go over the email tool. So to send an email, if you click on that tool, what you're going to see again in your respective group, you'll be able to see all your members in that group listed in this particular section. So your members will be listed here, and then depending on whom you want to send the message to. So if you just want to send a message to one person, for some reason maybe the person is not communicating, or you want to find something from one particular member, what you'll do, you'll just click on that member and you move the member to the right. So you select the member you want to send a message to. In this case, it could just be this the member you want to send a message to. So you move the member to the right, and therefore you can go ahead and put a subject and of course type your message. And then once you're done, you make sure you click submit, and of course the email it's sent to that particular member. And if you wanted to send it to members, again you'll do the same thing. And if you make a mistake here, you could always again click and remove that member from the list. So if you have 3 members here and you want to send a message to them, you could again just click on each member, move them to the right, another member, move them to the right, another member, move to the right, and you just repeat the same process. So this is very important, as a way again of communicating information to your group members. So please take advantage of the email feature, and again, communication is key, and that way you'll find your group being more successful when it comes to working in teams. I hope this works. Again, feel free to let me know if you have any question on how to use the send email feature within your groups, but be looking forward to working with your respective groups. Thank you.